Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and if you have an Amazon Echo with a yellow ring flashing around the light on the top, you don't know what it is or you want to switch it off, fear not. In this video, I'm going to explain it and show you how to get rid of it. So firstly, that blinking yellow light is a notification. Specifically, it's almost always a shopping notification, usually if something's been dispatched or is out for delivery or it has actually been delivered. To check what it is, all you have to do is say Alexa, notifications, or Alexa, do I have any notifications? And it'll read any alerts out to you. And that can often include product names, which might be a good thing if you live on your own or you've ordered something for yourself. But if you've ordered something as a gift or a surprise for somebody in your house, then it becomes a problem. The yellow light could also mean that somebody has sent you a message to your Echo. So to get rid of it, say, Alexa, read my messages. But once you've heard those notifications, the yellow light should stop flashing, but that doesn't solve the problem of stopping it in the future. So now grab your smartphone with the Alexa app installed on it. So now open the Alexa app and go to the sidebar menu and tap Settings. Next, select Notifications and choose Amazon Shopping. Here you can control which alerts you get, so to get rid of them all, just toggle off the out for delivery and delivered notifications. Now if you want to hide your orders or stop Alexa from blurting out the names of the items in your shopping order or showing them on the screen, if you have an Echo Spot or Echo Show, there are a couple of options to toggle off here as well. Look under the Say or Show items within that same settings menu and you'll find a couple of other toggle switches. So toggle off the names for items in your delivery updates and toggle off the option for items in your basket that may be marked as gifts or might be gifts because it's the holiday period. With these options switched off, you can still ask Alexa, where's my stuff? And it'll tell you when your next delivery is due, but it won't blurt out that you're expecting a giant Lego Death Star or the latest addition to your embarrassingly large collection of vinyl records. So that's just been a quick tip for you. I hope you found that useful. If you want to chat to me or ask me any questions on social media, I'm at Cam Bunton. If you did like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to see more of our videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again soon.